So frankly speaking guys, I was planning to make a video on best monitors under rupees 10,000, but after searching for over a day, I haven't found a suitable monitors. So now, I was forced to make this video, where I have brought top 4 best monitors under rupees 15,000, and in India 2022, you can consider this monitors. So before starting the video, some specifications that you should consider before buying a monitor. Under this price, you must choose nearly 24 to 27 inch display. Talking about the resolution, then you already get full HD under this price. Now very important, about display panel. TN panel for only gaming purpose, and IPS panel for working, studying, and partial gaming too. Refresh rate should be 75 Hz to 144 Hz, and typical response time up to 1 millisecond to 5 milliseconds. So this important points, you must surely consider, before buying a monitor. So now, without wasting time, let's start the video. At number 4, there is Acer Nitro Gaming Monitor, which is really good for those who are here only for a gaming monitor. It comes with 23.8 inches Full HD resolution, which ensures a sharp and smooth gameplay experience, even at the highest settings. The 165 Hz refresh rate means that even when the action heats up, your gameplay will be smooth and lag-free. It also comes with AMD Radeon technology, which helps to determine the game's frame rate by your graphic card. There is a flicker-less, low-dimming comfy view display to help you enjoy comfortable viewing. It provides you some protection, like eye care with blue light shield, flicker-less, low-dimming, different game modes for better viewing experience, etc. The monitor comes embodied with 2 HDMI ports and 1 display port with in-box DP cable. This monitor is integrated with built-in stereo speakers to provide a thrilling audio experience. This Acer monitor provides 3 years of warranty. So overall, a quite good monitor for not only gaming purpose, but also for different activity. So this Acer Nitro gaming monitor cost rupees 13,999, whose link is in description. Coming to number 3, we have again from Acer, which is Acer SA240Y, which comes with exceptional Full HD big 23.8-inch IPS LED monitor, with stylish ultra-thin enclosure of about 6.6 millimeters. It provides you eye care with blue light shield, which reduces the exposure of blue light. Integrated with AMD FreeSync technology, which eliminates screen tearing, while minimizing lags and latency, and delivers very smooth experiences, with 75 Hz refresh rate and 4 milliseconds response time. Talking about the connectivity, this monitor includes 1 HDMI, 1 VGA ports, and comes with integrated 2-watt X2 stereo speakers. So you won't have to buy separate speakers. So guys, under this price segment, this will be the best choice if you want an IPS monitor. So Acer SA240Y monitor cost rupees 14,215, whose link is in description. At number 2, we have a big screen monitor, which is BenQ GW2780, which comes with 27 inches Full HD Ultra Slim IPS widescreen, with 1920x1080 resolution. It provides 178 degrees viewing angles for clarity from any viewpoint. It provides adaptive eye care with proprietary brightness intelligence, low blue light, and flicker-free technology, prevent eye strain and protect your eyes. Talking about the connectivity, this monitor provides 1 VGA, 1 HDMI, 1 display port, and 1 audio in port. With 2x2 watt built-in speakers, it provides enhanced multimedia experience. So definitely have this monitor on your desk, because under 15,000 price budget, no other monitor provides you such big display. This BenQ GW2780 monitor cost rupees 14,990, whose link is in description. So guys, at number 1 in our list, we have MSI Optics G24C4. MSI is a company which provides attractive products, especially for the gamers. This monitor comes with 23.6-inch FHD curved display with 1500R curvature radius. It also comes with VA panel display type with 170-degree viewing angle. It provides 144 Hz refresh rate, where you can experience smoother gaming than other gaming monitors in the industry. Eliminate screen tearing and choppy frame rates with 1 millisecond response time. The game colors and details will look more realistic and refined to push game immersion to its limits. Its frameless design will provide you ultimate gameplay experience. Well, apart from gaming, you can also use it for your other activities. You can also mount it on your wall, which will look more attractive. This monitor comes with 3 years of warranty. This MSI Optics G24C4 monitor cost Rs 15,399, whose link is in description. So that's it guys in today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if it is so, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. It's really hard to make a video, so don't forget to show your love by subscribing the channel. I will meet you in next video. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.